Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study last minute for an exam. First, quickly identify the most important topics and concepts that are likely to appear on your test. Don't try to learn everything new. Instead, focus on reinforcing what you already know. Gather all your notes, textbooks, and any study guides. This initial organization saves valuable time and helps you feel more in control of the situation. Next, engage in active recall. Instead of passively rereading, quiz yourself on the material. Try to explain concepts in your own words without looking at your notes. Practice with any available past questions or sample problems to understand the exam format and common question types. This method is far more effective than simply highlighting or reviewing, as it actively retrieves information from your memory. It's crucial to take smart, short breaks. Step away from your study materials for 5 to 10 minutes every hour to clear your head. Use this time to stretch or grab a quick, healthy snack. Staying hydrated is also key for maintaining focus and cognitive function. Avoid the temptation of social media or other distractions during these breaks, as they can easily derail your limited study time. Finally, do a quick, high-level review of your most challenging areas just before the exam. More importantly, prioritize getting enough sleep. A well-rested mind performs significantly better than an exhausted one. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours if possible. On exam day, arrive early, calm, and with all necessary materials. Trust your preparation and do your best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.